Shenzhen SenYan Circuit Company Limited, as one of the excellent PCB manufacturers in the industry, we are not only the representative of the high-cost performance, but also the model of high quality. We have set up a new factory in Dongguan in 2017. Till now, we have more than 10,000 square meters of modern professional production workshops, which makes our maximum monthly production capacity reach 35,000 square meters. Nearly 200 employees, including more than 50 senior engineers, technicians, and other management personnel. The maximum monthly production capacity can reach 35,000 square meters. In accordance with the market demand, we have imported many advanced automatic production equipment to produce printed circuit board with high quality and competitive price in recent years, which has further improved our process and production capacity. In the product processing aspect, we can produce minimum hole of 0.2 millimeters, minimum line width and space of 3.5 millimeters, the maximum processing length of 1.2 millimeters, the maximum processing width of 0.6 meters, maximum copper thickness of 8 ounces. SenYan Circuit is a professional PCB manufacturer and specializes in producing single-wide, double-wide, and multi-layer boards. We also carry on SMT, DIP processing, components purchasing, electronic products developing, and so on. We have over 10 years of production experience in PCB manufacturing and can supply one-stop service from product developing to manufacturing. About the production material, we mainly use material like FR4, High TG, FR1, CEM1, CEM3, Rogers, aluminum substrate, copper substrate, ceramic substrate, and FPC. The primary products include common FR4 PCB, middle or high TG PCB, thin copper PCB, heat-resisting PCB, copper PCB, aluminum PCB, high-frequency PCB, and so on. Products are widely used in artificial intelligence, intelligent home appliances, instruments and meters industries, and others, and have been exported to Europe, the United States, Southeast Asia, Korea, Japan, and other countries and areas. Our company has always adhered to the business principles of quality first, customer first, excellent service, abiding by contract. Continue to create value for customers through innovative technology and meticulous safety design to create the best and most valuable products in the industry. SenYan Circuit is wholeheartedly dedicated to cooperate with domestic and foreign merchants to attain mutual development and create a splendid future.